Hi, my name is Elon Alonso and I am the founder of Sunbeam Career Development. We are operated through myself as a program manager and a software developer and administrator. And today we are seeking the partnership of an angel investor to provide seed funding of 500,000 at 5% equity stake. We need you to execute our operations of bridging the gap between education and employment as youths transition to their career paths. Did you know that 35.6% of youth are not in education, training, or employment? This is because they lack access in the physical sense, along with access to resources that will provide the necessary skills development and strengthening that they need to be successful. Moreover, with the limited resources available, they lack offering and alignment in that they are not suited to the socio-economic realities of youth and also adjusted for the expectations of the workforce or work market. It's important to know that 26% of our total population are youth, and they are considered as the productive arm of our country. If we want to have progress and development, youth must be at the forefront of skills development and productivity. Here is where Sunbeam Career Development comes in. We provide remote access to learning from any place and at any time that is personalized to reaching the specific needs and situations of youth. They are aligned to the needs of today as well as the needs that they need to pivot to the workforce. We began through research to look at the challenges that they particularly face, as well as the potential solutions to eradicate unemployment and to build employability. After that, we have organized it into training platforms that have impacted over 100 youth being trained for the first time in employability and job readiness. What we found in these trainings is that there was a need for something sustainable and something that they can tangibly reach and access. This is where we created our Sunbeam Career Jumpstart, which offers a suite of 7 courses on our online platform that they can access at anywhere and at any time. Our next move forward is to launch. That is to develop 2 more courses to impact 300 Gen Zs, develop an app to have access in the palm of their hand, and to do so through marketing of Jumpstart and partnership. We have already set forth a business model that is an online platform that offers access to the courses through paid membership that allows them to have access to a mixed learning method and the expertise of course coordinators that will provide specific and relevant information. Moreover, our growth strategy is youth-centric. Our target is the Gen Z, and in that, we operate to fit the characteristics, needs, and strengths of our target population. That is why our platform emphasizes convenience and self-service in the development of self-managers. Moreover, our model is aligned to a strategy of affordability and accessibility along with youth centrism. In that, we will market through asking and solving the needs that they have through beta testing and trial, along with meeting and engaging through social media platform and face-to-face. Overall, we want to be for youth and by youth. We have entered the market to position ourselves as the middleman for price, but at the same time having high operation of alignment and access. We outbeat our competitors in that our online platform offers no cap on the participants. We enforce a mixed method of learning and also still provide the personalization of specific courses and also coaching services. We have already built ourselves upon a unit economic profitability of 6.9%, and with our systems put forth to have increased capacity, it allows our scalability of clientele having already low overheads and providing a greater amount of unit economic UEP as we scale. We are looking forward so far to 10% growth over the next 3 years, and we plan to manage this through accountability. We have already setting forth our website invoicing and expense tracking. What we need now is the engagement of an investor to provide $500,000 that will help us to strengthen our systems, scale our operations, as well as increase our impact. Here at Sunbeam, our motto is to begin with the end in mind, and we want our next step to include you, the investor, with the vision that we can impact 26% of Guyana's population and to eradicate the issues that youths face on a day-to-day level in their development. Remember the saying that we have: youth are the future, but we need to act now to ensure that they are at their best state for tomorrow. Thank you very much.